Hello everybody and welcome. Max here with Smart People Finance, the place where you can learn how smart people make their money, how they save and invest it to grow their wealth day by day. If you are watching this video, you probably ended up on my webpage smartpeoplefinance.com and specifically on my landing page about the selling option, the cash machine course. Or you might have found the video on my YouTube channel Smart People Finance. And if it's the case, please subscribe to the channel, smash that like button and hit the bell so not to lose any further videos from me and be always updated. Now let's go into it. The scope of this video is to show you what is possible trading the way I teach you in the course Selling Option, the Cash Machine course. My intention from the beginning was just to teach you what is real, what is possible to replicate, so that you are not wasting your time doing something that doesn't work. So I decided 2 years ago to open a real account, to deposit some money into it and start trading with the same strategies that I teach in the course. And now it's been like 2 years now, even a few days more, that I've traded this account, and I want to show you the real results. So in the YouTube channel you can also find another video that I recorded almost 2 years ago that was about the first semester that I traded this account, and in that part you can find the same information that I'm gonna give you in this one, but just related to the first semester of the 2020. So this is the follow-up of that video, and my intention was at the beginning to do it every 6 months, but then I decided just to give you in a single one just an entire 2 years, just to show you, as I said, what is really possible. So without further ado, let's go into it. As you can see here in the video, this is my real account. This is the account that I opened with Tastyworks, which is the platform that I use and I recommend to use. The market is closed, as you can see from this red button, and the date is for today, the 28th of December 2023. So in here, this is the chart represented the SPY, and as you can see, as the market is closed, there is no movements in the price. But maybe this is the best way to not be distracted from numbers and movements from the chart, so you can focus on the numbers that I'm going to show you. Up here you can see the profit and loss year to date, and already you can see the first number, which is a green number. This is a color that I really love and all traders for sure love. And it shows $18,792.34. You can also see this red here. It's the profit and loss day, showing minus $180. This is why I have an open position. If I click on this tab, positions, you see I open a Tesla position. Over here it's a credit put spread, and I opened the position yesterday before the closing, and so far the trade is showing minus $180. But of course, once you open a position, once you open a trade, you can have these positive or negative numbers showing you a profit or a loss, but these are temporary results because the trade is still open. And of course you have some time, like for this in this example we have still 9 days to the expiration of the position, so most probably I'm gonna close in the position again with another profit. But that being said, what I want to show you is the results that I have. So in the activity tab, if I go here, I can see all the symbols that I used and the position, the order that had been filled. So Tesla, Boeing. Recently I've traded a lot Tesla, but I also usually trade Meta, Visa, Boeing, PayPal, and so on. If we go here in history, I've already chosen the account that I used to show you the result, and if I click on year to date, that's what I want to show you. These are all the symbols, all the stocks that I used to trade, so you can have an idea. Usually these are the major, like Adobe, Amazon, Boeing, Google, JP Morgan, Meta, Microsoft, and so on. This is the realized gain for each of the stock. So you can see that most of my money came from Tesla, $4,278, and Disney, $3,200, Amazon, Boeing, and so on. And this is the total amount. So the realized gain for the 2022 is $18,972.34. The unrealized year gain is minus 180 because of the position I have on Tesla, which is still open, so minus 180. So year gain at the moment, it shows the difference between the realized and unrealized gain. Then you can see the commissions that I paid for the entire year, $1,151, and others fees for the market, commissions and fees in the stock market and in the option market. It's $349. So the entire 2022 was positive. Again, I had not a single loss. What you will see here, and you can also check from the previous video that I created that was mentioned before, that in 2 years I had not a single loss. Yes, you hear right. I had 100% of profit trades. So I've been trading for more than 2 years now, and applying the same strategy that you will learn in the Selling Option, the Cash Machine course. I earned money without a single loss. So a very, very successful strategy. And I'm going to show you something also here, looking at the transactions. And if I go here in the trade, then I can filter year to date again. Now you can see the totals of the trades that are open during the 2022 year, and the money that I pay in commission and fees, and the amount as well. So here is a lot of Tesla, Boeing, Amazon, Meta, Microsoft, Snow, and so on. This is the description. Most of them are some credits, spreads, and again, as I scroll down, you can see that the amount of money is increasing because it's reporting the entire year. So if I keep scrolling down, you will see that the total number will be the same of the year to date. You can see up over there. Actually, it's even more because it's not taking into account the commissions that I paid, and that's why you see this more difference. Here we go. The entire year, 18,998, and yeah, actually it's the same number, because if you go back here, it's like this one minus the unrealized is more or less the same number. So it's 100% profit trade. Another thing that I want to show you, it's my spreadsheet that I use every day. This is the spreadsheet that I use to keep trace of all my trades, and I have data like the date of the opening of the trade, the stock I'm trading, how many options, contract, the type, which might be call credit spread, put credit spread, naked call, the credit that I receive, the closing date, profit and loss, some notes, the costs, so I keep into account also the costs that I pay for, the net credit, the total net credit, then the progress on my capital, and what's most important, return on capital. That's very, very important, and it shows me how I am doing with my amount of money. So as you see, I started this on the 3rd of December 2020, and the last month of December 2020 I closed the month with a 6.81%. So of course this is only 1 month in 2020, so as I haven't kept trace of that, I won't show you what was the real number with you, just to be honest with you. So the year 2020, I don't remember very well, but it was something like 58% probably. It was a very good year, but this is the only one that I can show you because it's what I traded on that real account that you see before. And then I started on the 2021, so you can see January I made these numbers of trades. It's just 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 trades. PayPal, JP Morgan's, No, Google, and so on and so on, and I made a 4.52%. You can see here the progress going on with the year. In February I made 2.24%. As you see here in this note there is roll. This means that I had to manage this position, and you will learn how to do this in the course, but basically managing the position means that sometimes you have to do something to keep your trade profit, or at least close it at break-even, as it happened here at break-even when I closed Disney. I kept this position for a long time. It was a bit tiring, but in the end I closed it at break-even. Now you see here in March 2.33%, April 1.98%, May a very good month 7.41%, June 3.99%. I rolled again another position, Amazon, as you see here, a roll, and then I close it out here with 100 profit. And then we have July 5.57%, another very good month. August again 7.61%. I managed one position on Amazon, and then I closed it with a 50% profit. September 6.13%, October 3.07%, November 4.48%, December 4.55% again. So I closed the year 2021 with an amazing 53.88%, which means a 4.49%. This is the average monthly income percentage that I got with my money. And to be honest, this is a bit above the average because I am aiming to earn 3% per month. So the 2021 was a very, very good year, so I made more than I usually do. And then it started the 2022. So in January again, as you can see also, the number of trades that I have is usually the same. So it's ranging from, I would say, from 6 trades per month to something like 15% per month. So not much. It depends on the year, it depends on the volatility. Consider that in 2021 we had the COVID pandemic, which hit very, very hard on the markets, but still I made very well, still not a single loss, and earning 53.88%. Then in 2022, you know, the pandemic kept to be with us, and not even that, but also the war starting in Europe, in Ukraine. So, and the market starting to think about recession. That probably will happen in 2023. So it was very, very difficult markets. Most of the stocks lose a lot of value. Bitcoin, people who I know, for people who invest in Bitcoin, who are losing now a lot of money, more than 60-70%. But also in the stocks, many people are losing at least 20-30% of their capital. What I did instead, applying this strategy, is again trading. 100% of my trades were profits. I had not a single loss, and you will see in a while what were the results. So in January 2022, 4.13%. I had to roll sometimes the positions. As you can see here, for example, on Z, I have to roll this down and close it at 50% profit. So February again 4.18%, and then this is March 2.43%, so a bit less. And then you can see, because of the war, I started to be a bit more conservative, less aggressive, and I started earning a bit less than usual. 1.94% in April, May 1.52%, June 5.66%, July only 1%, August 1.03%, September 3.16%, October 1.54%, November, as you can see also in the last month, I traded very few, just 6 trades per month, but still earning 1.54 or 1.75. Not considering this month of December, where I've traded only 4 times, and at the moment I still have Tesla opened, but considering the closed position, I'm already earning 1.16%, and the progress for the entire 2022 is 29.51%. Again, per month I have earned 2.46%, which is slightly below my average. Not the average, I would say below what I aim to, but still is an amazing result considering the pandemic, considering the war, and considering that we are going into a recession. So what is amazing with these numbers, I would say, yeah, for sure you can earn a monthly income like 2-3% every month, but it's the relaxing mode of trading, because you can see that you most probably, if you apply what I teach, you can have almost 100% of your trades to be profitable. Sometimes you have to roll the position. I will teach you this very particular way of trade and how to close the trades out at break even or with more profits and still be profitable. So consider that the average is earning from 20 to 40% per year. Even consider that sometimes you will end up losing money, but this is happening just 1% of the time. And as you can see, if you're very well at it, you can also have 100%, as I show you in these last 2 years. So that's the best way you can invest your money, to be very conservative with them. And this is the way smart people use their money to create not a passive income, because this is not passive, as still you have to put some effort into it. But guys, it's very relaxing. 6 to 15 trades per month, and you need just to check your positions, like let's say 2 to 3 times per day, just to see how it goes. If everything is going as you planned, you have to do nothing. 95% of your time your trades will be closed out at profit. Sometimes, let's see, 2-3% of the time you will have to manage the position, and sometimes, as I told you, this can happen, of course, because still its market are risky. You can still lose sometimes, and with my statistics I lose like 1% of the time. And once you lose some money, you will need like 3 to 4 months of trading to recover that position. But still, at the end of the year, considering this single loss, which usually is bigger than the normal, still at the end of the month you can consider to earn 20 to 40% every year. So this is why I really suggest to invest in yourself, increase your skills, learn new expertise like this one. This is a very good opportunity for yourself to learn how to make money from your money. Stop wasting your time in strategies that don't work and focus on what really works. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the way I prepared it, just to show you what is really possible, and just to show you that what I teach it's not chit chat. It's not just me showing off. It's just to show you that it's real. It's possible to earn every single month in and month out. You can earn money from your capital. And of course, this is a very good scalable strategy because you can apply it with $2,000, but you can apply it even with 2 million, 5 million, whatever you have. So again, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you still have any doubt, feel free to send me an email or comment in the comment section below. If you are now ready to buy the course and learn a new skill, invest in yourself, you will find the link below in the description section in the YouTube channel, or if you are on the landing page, the selling option, the cash machine course, you will close this video and go in the buy section and start investing in yourself and learn new skills. Thank you very much. See you soon. Goodbye.